In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up business bank account with Revolut 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from the home page to your business dashboard with everything verified and ready to use. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Head to the official Revolut website and look for the option to create an account. This will take you into the sign-up flow. You'll first be asked to choose your country. Make sure Revolut supports your location for business accounts, then continue. Next, select your legal business type. This is important for compliance, so choose the option that matches how your business is registered, such as a limited company, sole trader, or other structure. Continue to move forward, enter your email address, and proceed. Revolut will send you an authorization link or code, so go to your email inbox and approve the login request from there. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder and open the link in the same browser to avoid issues. You'll then be prompted for a phone number. Pick the correct country code, enter your number, and continue. A verification code will be sent to your device. Enter that code to confirm it's you. Create a strong password you'll remember, keep it secure, and never share it. Then continue. Provide your date of birth. This is part of regulatory checks and is standard for financial services. Continue to your residential address, entering it exactly as it appears on your official documents for smooth verification, and proceed again. Now search for your business legal name so Revolut can find it in the registry and continue. You'll be asked for business details, including the full legal name, your company's house registration number if you're operating in the UK, and your date of incorporation. Make sure these match your official records to prevent delays, then continue. Enter your business address, including city and postcode. If your registered address is different from where you operate, ensure you input the official details as requested and continue. You'll now verify your identity. Continue to the document selection screen and choose the ID type you'll use, like a passport or national ID, based on what Revolut accepts in your country. When prompted, start the video recording for liveness verification. Use good lighting, keep your ID edges visible, and follow the on-screen instructions steadily. After your account is verified, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, you can view your account details, manage cards and payments, and start using your Revolut business account confidently.